For this video, we will need the downloader app. Most of you already have this app installed, but if you have not yet, be sure to download, then open this app. Choose Allow if it asks you, then hit OK. Go to Search and type this in. Hit Go and wait. Once this loads up, press the menu or the 3-bar on your remote. Then if this pops up, press the 3-bar once more to view it in full screen. You want to scroll down just a little bit, and from here you may click on this if you're still looking for renewal or new code for replacement. You want to do this on your phone, so look for the QR code below this page. Now if you want the old interface, you may click on this, but for this video we will choose the new UI. So let's click this one. It will then ask you to install. But if you'll get this error message about unknown source or unknown apps that you need to turn on and you don't know how to do it, be sure to check my latest video about how to allow or how to turn it on. Once finished, you might want to consider checking the other stuffs below, such as the QR code if you want to open this on your phone. Buy my recommended streaming devices from Amazon to support the channel with the affiliate link, or maybe buy me a coffee. And friendly reminder before sideloading any apps, make sure to turn on VPN to protect your online identity and activity to any threats while sideloading and streaming on any of your devices. Check the link in the video description or the pinned comment below. That's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.